It's like I've seen movie to you before. Jasper Carrot is another film.
Three and 70.
Right.
Yes, good, thank you.
Okay.
Good, thank you very much.
Merci bien.
Au revoir, monsieur.
You want your 1 pence?
You were booked
So what I do is I price up the items, pendants separately from the chain, so you can choose any chain you like, or you don't have to take a chain. Yeah, that's a £30 one. The little one next to it is a £25 one, and the bigger one in there is a £40 one.
Right. Good ideas for yourself.
Yeah, no problem. I'm here each week.
Here it's sweet. Right.
Hi.
Oh, this is nice.
Thank you.
Hello there.
Oh, your bread look nice
Thank you.
and smell nice.
Oh, meine Pushta. Oh, you sat in the pushta.
Oh, sorry.
No, go and take your jacket off.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're charging for picture and recording.
I'm walking through the whole market.
Right. Everybody will charge it.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? You want to go that way or down the back way, yeah?
That's going to be painful, isn't
Yeah, but then they're great. I've done it on the toes.
Well, they're obviously going in all like
Cheers, lovely. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. £1 with it. Okay, much obliged. Thank you. Thank you. Just please, young lady. £3, darling. It's dry. That's the main thing. It's dry. Cheers, lovely.
Thank God for that.
Only till 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I heard that. I'll be home by then.
Oh, I wish.
Yeah. Thank you.
You don't. It should be warmer in Tenerife tomorrow.
Eh?
Yes. £2, Roman. That's good.